Hello everyone, this is Iman Artisan. Today I'm going to share with you Harira soup. It's a Moroccan traditional soup made with lentils, chickpeas and tomatoes and other ingredients which give it very special taste. We make this soup specially for Ramadan and other times too. I'm sure you are going to love it if you try it. Please support my channel with like, comment and subscribe. Now let's go to the recipe. First, I will get a handful of coriander or cilantro. I will put it in the Thermomix and I will chop it there. You can chop it with your hand or any machine you use. I will chop it for 3 seconds, speed 7. And this is the result. I will reserve it for later. I add an onion cut it to quarters and 4 large tomatoes in halves. It's better to use fresh and red tomatoes. You can use your grinder if you don't have Thermomix. I add about half stalk of celery cut it to pieces. You can add little more than half if you want it. The more you put celery, the more delicious the harira soup. Then I will grind everything 20 seconds, speed 10. I will start with speed 5, then gradually I will increase the speed to speed 10 in the first 5 seconds. I should get this texture. Then I will add bunch of parsley and the remaining of the cilantro. Then I will add 30 grams of flour. I will add a little bit of water and again I will grind everything. 3 seconds, speed 7. In the traditional way, we mix the flour with the water and we add it at the end of the cooking. But because the Thermomix mixing while it's cooking, it's okay, we add it from the beginning. Later on this video, I will tell you which part you can add the flour mixture if you are not using the Thermomix. I will add 150 grams of meat. You can add 100 grams. It's up to you. And I will add 150 grams of hummus. You can add 100 grams to 150 grams. Then I will add 50 grams of lentils that I soak already in hot water and I wash it well until it become clear water. For the spices, I will use 1 teaspoon from each of black pepper, ginger powder, turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons of salt. Of course, the salt is up to your taste. Also, I add 1 teaspoon of Moroccan cinnamon. Then I fill up the mixing bowl up to the max with water. Moroccan cinnamon is a preserved butter mixed with salt. It's a very special. It has a very special flavor and taste for Moroccan traditional cuisine and recipes. You can skip it if you cannot find it, but if you can find it in the shops, it's very good. I will try to share with you how to make Moroccan cinnamon later on in my videos. I will set my Thermomix to cook the soup for 45 minutes, 100 Celsius to 120 Celsius, speed spoon, and don't forget to change the blade to mixing mode, not grinding mode. I will add a little bit oil from the hole as you can see. After 45 minutes, check your chickpeas and meat. If it's not cooked, you can add 5 to 10 minutes. If it's cooked already, you can go to next step. I add 50 grams of vermicelli noodles and extra more water until max. If you are cooking in a regular pot, this is the step where you add the flour and water mixture and you will cook it on the stove normal way. But for our case, in the Thermomix, I will put 10 minutes. To 100 Celsius to 120 Celsius. It's up to you. If you put 100 Celsius, it's mostly you add extra time. Speed spoon and set the blade for mixing, not grinding. Then in the last few minutes, when it's about to finish cooking, like you can see, it's about 3 minutes to 4 minutes, I will add the reserved chopped cilantro. You can even wait until it's off and add it. It's give very nice special flavor. And also for the Moroccan cinnamon, you can add it either now or until finish. It's give very special flavor and taste to Moroccan harira. And actually we use it with the most of Moroccan traditional dishes. And voila, our Moroccan harira is ready. Enjoy it. You can serve it with the lemon. You can serve it with dates or with the figs. We serve it also with the shibakia. It's a Moroccan sweet that we make for Ramadan. It's a very nice combination. The amount of the ingredients I give you, it's enough for the Thermomix mixing bowl. It can hold 2 liter and 200 milliliter. It's enough for 6 to 8 serving, depend of the size of the bowls you are using. If you are using small bowls, it can go up to 8 people. If you are using big bowls, it can go up to 6 serving. It's very delicious. I'm sure if you try it, you will love it. Harira soup is one of the Moroccan traditional recipes which my non-Moroccan friends try it and love it. As I said already, you don't need Thermomix to make Harira soup. We usually make it in the pot, but of course all the grinding and chopping, we do it the traditional way with knife and cutter or by other grinder. But believe me, in the Thermomix is way easier because in one machine you do the grinding, the mixing, the cooking, the chopping all in one, and the result is very good. It's very delicious and tasty as always. Mostly like to serve my harira with the Moroccan mint tea and Moroccan stuffed msimmen or stuffed batbot or mahmar is very nice combination. In my next videos, I will share with you Moroccan mahmar, stuffed mahmar that I make that day. And of course, you can serve it with the dates. It's a very nice combination with the dates. I hope that you enjoyed watching my video. If you do so, please like my video and share with your friends and subscribe in my channel. And if you try my recipe, please tell me in the comment down below your opinion. I hope you will like it, and I'm sure you will like it. If you live in the United States and you want to buy, earn, or you want to become a consultant of Thermomix, you can contact me. I will be happy to help you. No, I'm just gonna say Salam Alaikum. This is how we say hi and bye in Morocco. And I'm gonna say Fi Amanillah, which is mean in the safety of God.